voice pierce the concrete. Taillights bleed into the view. Nothing left to shield me in this monochrome cityscape. Your after image is all that won't fade. These feelings I can't name turn to static in my throat. Even the lights on, I'm fine. Oh, please just wash it all away. I scream and I scream, but my voice is just cold raindrops. It all just fades into the sound. This gentle veil that hides the tears that steals away my voice as well. So to the bone, where is my voice repeating this unreachable scream? Cold, inorganic umbrellas pass me by. A transparent curtain divides the world, and on this side I'm the only one left standing, soaking wet. I don't want anyone to see. Thought I was hiding in the rain, but this feeling's about to break me. It's slipping out as a I scream and I scream, but my voice is just cold raindrops. It all just fades into the sound. This gentle veil that hides the tears, it steals away my voice as well. So to the bone, where is my voice repeating this unreachable scream? Inorganic with no emotion, just cold and empty water drops. What's running down my soaking cheeks? If it's the rain or not, I don't even care anymore. I scream and I scream, but my voice is just cold raindrops. It will never reach tomorrow. This melody that hides the tears, this scream without a sound. If only this rain will let me be. I'll stay soaking wet, repeating this unreachable scream, melting into the sound.